Hello guys, so let's check this HP gaming laptop. So the specs is Intel Core i5 10th generation, 128 SSD plus 1 terabyte of hard drive, 8 gigabyte of DDR4 RAM, full HD display 15.6, and it's running 1668 NVIDIA GTS 6 TB of dedicated graphics there. So this is the look is kind of really amazing. It's very beautiful machine. So as you can see here, yeah, and yeah, it comes with a beefy 200 watt adapter to charge it for you because it's a gaming machine. So of course you need a very beefy power adapter. So that is really good. So the port you get HDMI, you have um, USB, the Ethernet Type C, and then a card reader at one side. If you look at the back, it does really remind me of a certain car that, of course, you will know. Just take a look at the back. It's kind of beautiful, right? It's really cute. So that's the you have some ventilation and also the pavilion logo at the back there. And then also, if you look at this side, you have the power slot there. You have the additional two USB and then a headphone jack there. And that's kind of pretty much down there. You get still more ventilations. Yeah, so that's all for the ports. So let's go ahead and open it and let's see how. Whoa, guys, this is really cute. Uh, this kind of green. I'm loving this green accent to everything here. Even the keyboard is having this green accent to it. So as you can see, it's i5 and the logo of the dedicated graphics there, which is NVIDIA. So yeah, let's go ahead and turn it on. Let's see how it does look. This is not a full review, so if you want to see a full review, let me know in the comment section. I'm going to play more games on this device. If you want me to play games on this device and see how it really works, let me know in the comment section. I will do that. So, but for now, this is all I'm going to do for you. Just a quick unboxing and review. So, as I said, the display is 1080p, so it's kind of very sharp and very bright. So yeah, guys, let me know what you think about this machine. And if you are somebody that you're interested in a gaming machine, this is really cool for you. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoy.